Yo, what up, world? It's your boy C's from theclife.com. Welcome back to the people's favorite channel on the internet. Rejection, burnout. Rejection, man. Rejection gets a bad rap. Rejection only affects those who seek acceptance from others, seek validation from others, and nothing necessarily wrong with that. But why are you seeking validation? Why are you seeking acceptance? Is it an ego thing, or just, self-assess and ask yourself these questions? For others, rejection is just optimization data. It just lets you know, like, step back, reassess, was my thoughts, words, and actions all in alignment? There are people out here shooting their shots all recklessly, thinking that they Steph Curry. And, when there are advances or their approaches aren't accepted, they want to be butthurt, come online and start crying. All right, we're not crying over here. We are solution oriented. So we look at rejection as optimization data. So to fix your trauma, taking your rejection on the chin, self-assess. Was your approach ego driven? What lessons did you take from it? Step back. Was my thoughts, words, and actions all in alignment? You're not just doing it just to pad the stats. All right, you ain't LeBron. You see what LeBron had to go through over the course of 20 years to put up those numbers. Are you consistent with it, or were you just feeling confident, liquid courage, and you wanted to just shoot your shot and you felt the sting, right? So just take it as optimization data. Stop seeking validation. Stop seeking acceptance. Accept yourself first, right? And that's where it starts, man. It starts with you accepting yourself first. Do the work on you. Become the standard, and rejection will never affect you. It'll never phase you, because you'll just view it as optimization data. You'll see, like, I based on how I've been shooting, I am moving reckless. I am moving reckless out here, okay? And ain't nothing wrong to burn out in the beginning. Now you see your limits. Now you understand how far you had to push the envelope. And now you understand when you get to that red zone, it's time to dial it back. All right. So anytime that you get to that level where you burn out and you are traumatized, horrified, being turned down in front of the homies, take that lesson on the chin, because that's just going to calcify your being, your character, right? And you're going to be better, stronger, faster, quick-witted. Your riz is going to be on point. All right. The charisma comes from the rejection, people. All right. The riz come from rejection. All right. All those people out there that haven't been rejected yet, their time will come, and that's where they're going to be stung. All right. Just focus on you, focus on your game, and the rest, just, take it, learn from it. But don't be going out here shooting all reckless. Like, work on the approach. All right, work on your tonality, work on your appearance, and work on you, like, overall, man. Because I see a lot of young men out here just hopeless. They can't even find love in a hopeless place, which is the internet, man. So take your time, young men. All right. Take your time, and don't let the rejection just get stronger. Go for it, but don't be shooting all reckless. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, drink water, get money, mind your business. Peace.